Hi guys, so in the first video clip that I showed you, you can see my position at the time that tornado warning was issued, which is the blue circle, which I've circled again in white to make it easier to see. You can see that I was positioned directly within this storm's hook echo, the curving C-shaped feature that indicates tornadic rotation. And this did seem like a proper supercellular tornado as opposed to an embedded squall line tornado, which was the dominant feature of most of the tornadic storms throughout the Midwest yesterday. You can see that the main squall line had already swept off to the east. On the right, these storms with the yellow boxes surrounding them, those are severe warned thunderstorms. And then the red polygon here, of course, is the tornado warning. So this little transient supercell suddenly popped up and went rogue and produced a small tornado. I would estimate the tornado was 100 yards or less in front of me, in other words, to my north, at the time that I took that video. I think the gusty winds you saw in the video was the RFD, or rear flank downdraft, which is the gusty winds that will wrap around the backside of a tornado and feed into it. And sure enough, you can see on the Storm Prediction Center's storm reports page for yesterday, there's your one tornado report in Decatur County, Indiana, with the tree damage and power lines down southwest of Millhousen. Really the only tornado to form anywhere at all in the Midwest yesterday, so kind of a fun surprise to end my storm chase with. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you found that interesting. Bye for now.